Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing and demoing this facial roller and massager by Finishing Touch. It is called Flawless Contour. I actually saw this on Amazon and it's basically like a jade roller, except this one vibrates. So I'm going to show you how to get started with this product. First, let me show you exactly what it comes with. So it comes with the device handle, the facial roller, a battery, which is A+, and then an under eye stone. So these two heads are removable, so that's how you switch them out so that you can get the vibration with both of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. So this bottom piece here is where the battery goes. So you twist and that pops off. So then you're gonna put your battery in, drop that in, and then you twist it to the right, push that up, and it starts vibrating. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have any makeup on today. I am looking like a troll. So the first step right before I started this video, actually, I put anti-wrinkle cream on. So that is optional. You do not have to. But when you use a jade roller or this massage roller, it is beneficial to use an anti-aging cream because it penetrates deeper when you use the roller, okay? I'm going to begin with my neck. So you start at the center of your neck and you're gonna roll up. Oh my gosh, this feels so good already. My first impression of this actually is how cold the stone actually is. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be this cold and it actually really is. So it's actually really relaxing and soothing. So you want to do this 3 to 4 times in an area. You always want to go in an upward motion, especially on your neck or on your double chin. So now I'm gonna start at my chin and I'm gonna go up and out. So you wanna go outward now once you're on your face. Oh my gosh, I'm like rolling my cheeks. That's embarrassing. Okay, now the opposite way. And you can store this in the refrigerator if you would like, so that it can be even cooler when you put it on. That is optional. So on the face, you also want to do about 3 to 4 times in an area. Look at my cheeks. I'm like rolling them, like smushing them out. That's not okay. I am feeling like this is getting a little bit warmer now that my skin has been on it. Also, guys, you never ever want to dip this in water, and if you drop this, you could damage the stone. So be careful when you're handling this. This is actually so relaxing that you forget how many times you've even done it because it feels so good that you could just do it for at least 10 minutes in each area. Feels so good. Okay, so to turn it off, push that down. The benefits of the roller are firmness, circulation, and skin tone. So now I'm gonna show you how to take off the heads and switch them. So you're going to twist, pop that off, and then put in this one, twist to the right, just like that, turn it on. So the vibration is optional, you don't have to have that. So you're gonna start in the middle. Oh my gosh, that feels so good, that coldness. And then you're gonna go in an outward motion. You wanna hold for 4 to 5 seconds. And then you want to pick it up, move it over, and then put it back down. You never want to slide it across just because the under eye skin is a very delicate area. So hold 4 to 5 seconds, pick it up, move it over. Hold 4 to 5 seconds, pick it up, move it over, and you want to go in an outward motion just like you were doing the roller. I would probably do this in the morning since it is for puffy eyes, inflammation, dark circles, things like that. I feel like this one would be beneficial in the mornings. You can also store this stone in the refrigerator. You just don't want to wet it. And you never, ever, ever want to put it on your eyelids or on your eyeball. You want to do this 3 to 4 times on each side. After that, we are all done. So let's go over how to take care of this. To clean, you want to remove the heads from the handle and then just wipe down with a washcloth, okay? You don't want to put any kind of product on there because it can ruin the stone. Also, you don't want to put any kind of cleaning product on here and then roll it on your face the next time you use it. You want to store in a dry place. However, I did say you can put it in the refrigerator, but that is a dry place. It's just a cooler place, which helps, especially with the eye stone for puffiness and dark circles, swelling, things like that is really beneficial for that. I will say that after a while of using it, the stone starts to warm up with your body heat of your face. So you can kind of start to feel that. So I think next time I'll probably refrigerate it and see if it makes a difference or if the coolness lasts longer. Do not rinse this underwater. Any part of it, the handle, the under eye stone, the facial roller, do not, because you will ruin the stone. And then, like I said earlier in the video, do not use it on your eyelids or on your actual eyeball. All right, guys, I forgot to mention this in the beginning, but it has really good weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels actually like really good quality, especially for $20. I feel like you get 2 things plus a battery for $20. I definitely think it's worth the buy. I'm sure you won't see results right away, but if you're consistent with using it, you will probably start to see results. Results may vary person to person, so don't be super disappointed. It is very relaxing and soothing on the face. That cool feeling on your face is very relaxing, very soothing. I would probably use the roller at night, just personally. I would use the roller at night and then the under eye stone in the morning for that swelling and eye puffiness or eye circles. I would use that one in the mornings. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this demo. If you found this video beneficial at all, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts or any questions. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified every time that I post. Bye.